There's a cool website called Rapid Resizer, and I'll put a link in the video description below. To use the resizing option costs money. Now hold on before you take your iPad and throw it in the ocean. I'm going to show you in this video 2 free options that are buried in this website. You don't even need to log in. So in this video, 2 free options. Let's check them out. Okay, I'm going to put this page in the video description below, this link. You can do 3 things on Rapid Resizer. The first thing I'm going to show you is to load a design to resize. That's kind of what the name of the website is here, Rapid Resizer. This is the option that costs money, so I'll do a quick 20-second walkthrough on this one. Okay, I've loaded in one of my PNG files, and it's going to say, do you want to use full detail or default? The size that I use is typically good for a disc plate, so it's about, or merch by Amazon, so it's like 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. Now you can see here it's resizing, and it's going to try to make it really, really big. So these are actually pieces of paper, these grids. So this would be 9 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. So you could resize this to be massive if you wanted to stencil something on your wall, or if you wanted to make it really large for whatever reason. So here is the paper size, 8.5 by 11, the column and the row, and then the width and the height. And then to print it requires a purchase on this website. Now, I'm not an affiliate, I'm not in any way associated with this website, so I'm just going to click requires purchase so you can see what the prices are, but I have no options here in terms of deals or anything. I've never actually even signed up for this website. But there's the prices. Looks like it's yearly stuff down below. So anyway, if you're interested, hey, go for it, but that's not the purpose of this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the second option. And the second option is this design library that's got public domain, simple patterns, and free images. So I'm going to click on this design library. You can see here there's a search option at the top, and then also a whole bunch of different designs, and there's some pages down here. So there's 85 free things that you can grab off of here. I'm just going to grab, for example, heart balloons. I'm going to click on it, and we can see here it's a very simple design, but you can download the image for free. It's licensed under CCO, which is public domain. If I click the download button, you basically get this where you can right click and then you can save as. And now it does say right click on the image to save it to your device. It is free, so you're not stealing. The police are not going to come to your house and arrest you for thievery. The third option is Vectorizer, where you can auto trace images. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on this as well. So I'm going to click Vectorizer, and I'm going to upload a file to trace. Okay, and I'm uploading a coffee cup. There it is there. And this is a PNG file. And so now it's going to ask me if I want to make the image smoother or sharper. I can do that. When you change this, it updates over here on the right. It's going to rethink. You can also do what they call centerline. It may not work depending on your file, if it's one color or more. So I'm just going to use outline instead of centerline. There it is there. Down below, there's a PDF option and SVG option. So if for whatever reason you don't like Inkscape, you can't use Inkscape, there is an SVG option here, and you can download this actually as a vector. You just click the download button and it will pop up, and it's basically a free download. There it is right there. I could save this now to my computer. Now to print it is going to require purchase. So I just want to point out, because I know sometimes people don't really watch the whole video and they say, well, this isn't really free. And it's like there's 2 options in this Rapid Resizer that are free, and then to print things costs money. So I'm not talking about the printing piece. I'm just talking about uploading something where you can get this thing traced, and it's a pretty good option if you're looking for a free alternative. Hope you found that helpful. Quick little walkthrough. I always love free stuff. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your crafting skills.